5 deer went into the woods on the left, but only 4 came out. The 5th deer was on a dead run from right to left, scared by the UPS truck. So there's a chance the 5th deer is still in the woods on the left, and it could be a buck trailing those 4 does. I'll hang with it for a little bit longer. It's 4:35 p.m. There's still at least 10 useful minutes of hunting time left. Well, that's an exciting conclusion to day 4 of the 2024 Wisconsin whitetail gun rifle deer hunting season in Warrens, Wisconsin, 2 miles west. 5 deer moved into the woods from right to left. 4 does came out. The 5th deer never emerged. But it's exciting to see some activity. We'll give it a try again tomorrow. Have a good day. Goodbye.